Now let's take a look at the utilITise use cases. These are everyday IT scenarios where our AI steps in and does the heavy lifting automatically. No tickets, no waiting, no manual work, just smooth and effortless IT that keeps everything running without interruptions. Now let's move on to the password use case. So what's the password and account access use case about? It's all about handling everyday login issues, like forgotten passwords, expired credentials, or account lockouts. utilITise automatically detects these problems, triggers secure self-service resets, and even reminds users before passwords expire, keeping everything smooth, secure, and fully automated. Now, as you can see, I've cleared the dashboard, so we're just focusing on password-related data. To start, I'll simulate a few failed login attempts, so I'll enter several wrong passwords to trigger the detection logic. In real time, utilITise picks up those failed attempts, correlates them with user account metadata, and applies lockout policies when thresholds are met. Here, the system identifies that user Akil Test 1 at CyberTulip is having a password problem. After diagnostics finish, we can see the system recommends a password reset. A notification pops up for the admin, and the end user gets an email on his secondary mail account to reset his password through the utilITise app. Once the user approves, the reset workflow runs automatically in the background, and within moments, the new password is issued. When we check the email logs, the users received a confirmation that their password has been changed successfully along with a new credential. They log in through the company portal, verify the authentication code, and everything's working perfectly again. And by the way, here's the cool part. Every password issue that utilITise resolves automatically translates into measurable savings. As you can see, it takes just under 7 minutes for the system to resolve the password issue, which prevents nearly 30 minutes of user downtime. That's around 23 minutes saved per password issue, completely hands-free. And that wraps up the password use case.